Hey, I'm Fish. How's everybody doing out there today? And we're shooting with DJI Mic 2 and an Action 5 Pro. Did you know that GoPro filed for 8K? And in order for them to say themselves, they got to file for the benefits, and they're good to go after that. All these terminologies and forms, what does that mean? It means artificial intelligence memory chip. They can't afford it. Very expensive. Internal memory, that is. Now, does that mean when all these other cameras come out, the prices would be up more to pay for the cost of that internal memory? I'm not talking about the memory in the camera that we get as storage. The past couple of days, I was going to grab the 360 camera and do some filming. Thing is, the editor, it crashes on me on Windows. And I have to go to the Mac, load it up. And it goes a lot faster, but it's a lot of work to do just for something very simple to shoot. We're heading into the park. And maybe one day the gates will be open rather than me walking around and climbing over. I'm not going in the sand today. No thanks. That's the shot you're going to get from me for today. I'll head up to the park area. We'll have a highlight of a talk. You forget your helmet, you can almost open up a store with what people forget, leave behind, throw out, all that good stuff. I take my helmet, I put it by my bike. So this way I don't lose it. Well, what am I going to talk? The highlight of my talk. Well, it's like golden hour. We're shining. Pretty neat. I'm in areas that I could put my camera high up. Average height that I could put up. Got a bar in the way, but it gives it some oomph, some, depth, some design. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Well, I'm just like waiting for the Insta360 Luna Ultra to be put out there so I could really see what that camera's about. Can't get the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And sure enough, GoPro Mission Pro, it's out there. But there's nothing about the extra Muse 2 or 2 Pro at all. And all you just had was a choice of color and the price, and time will tell. So I'm gonna pack on in and get on out. What if you hit this button here? It don't come on. It's on a timer. So they gotta shut off. That's the way some of them should be. Some of them just run all day, all night. Well, I did my ride, did my share, did my fun, did my talk. Now it's time to go meet up with Joe. Get back to some beeswax. Well, I come down this way once in a while because sometimes I want to see the old cars, if he's got one or two. And sure enough, he's got one right here. Firebird, man. I'm out of here.